Welcome to QZenith video tutorials. In this video, we're going to learn about the Nano file editor. So let's get started. Now, Nano is a simple, user-friendly text editor commonly found in Unix-like operating systems. It is often used for quick edits and is well suited for users who are new to command line editors. Here's how it looks like. So I'm going to type nano file3.txt. It's already been installed, so you don't have to install manually. And there is the text editor. So you've got a lot of options over here. You can see it. So if you wanted to exit from the file, you can do Ctrl X. If you want to read, Ctrl O, replace, Ctrl R, paste, Ctrl V, all this kind of stuff. So if I'm going to add, let's say this is a Nano file, and then if you wanted to save this file, what you can do is Ctrl X and then saved modified buffer. So you can just type Y and then it asks you to save in which file. So the file name is already been written as file3.txt. If you wanted to save in another file or in a new file, you can erase this and then type file4.txt. You can do that. But as of now, I'm good to go. I'm going to save this content within that file3.txt. So I'm going to hit enter. So ls space minus L, file3 has been created. Cat file3.txt, hit enter, and this is a Nano file. So if you wanted to exit out without saving any kind of content, how you can do that? Nano file3.txt and enter. This is another line added to this file. And then let's say if you don't want to save this, what you can do is Ctrl X and then hit N. So cat file3, hit enter, and you can see that nothing has been saved. That doesn't mean that creating file 3 is okay with Nano, but can I edit file 2 with Nano? Yes, you can. Though we have used another file editor to edit that file, but it's totally fine. You can use any of those editors to edit or create or to modify any kind of file. So if I'm going to say Nano file1.txt, hit enter, and I can add, this is a line added via Nano editor, and then save it, Ctrl X, Y, and then hit enter, and then cat file1.txt, hit enter. This line is added via Nano editor. So you can edit any files using any kind of file editor that I have shown in this series. Hope it was informative for you. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.